Hey guys, in this video I am going to show how to create a new Google account. I will also show how to create a new Gmail account in your laptop or PC. So let's get started. So just open your Google Chrome browser. Now click on the Google Apps option. Click on the account option. This is Google account page. Now click on the Create an Account option. You'll see the Create Your Google Account page, where you'll need to fill out a form. Fill blank boxes with required information. Type your first and last name. Click First Name box and type your first name. For example, James. Click Last Name box and type your last name. For example, Robert. Choose a username for Gmail. Click below Choose Your Username box and type a unique username. For example, James Robert 2099. Click outside this box any place to see the result. If you see that username is taken, try another messages, then click to username box and try a unique username. Click outside this box any place to see the result. Okay, this username is required for the next time you log into this Gmail account. Then type in a password for the Google account. For example, James1234. Confirm your password and click the same password again. Then click the next option. Choosing a strong password is very important. So please choose a strong password. Remember and save this password. You will need this password when you want to log into this account. Then click the next option. Choose the country and type your own phone number. Because you receive a confirmation code into your mobile phone messages inbox from Google. This code will need to completely active your Google account. Click Recovery Email Address box and type your recovery email address. This is optional. If you forget your email address or password, then you can find out your email or password using this email address. If you do not want to add a recovery email account, you can do so later in settings. Select your birthday. Click Month tab and choose your birthday month. Click Day box and type your birthday. Click Year box and type your birth year. Now choose your gender. Then click the next option. To make sure this number is here, verify your phone number. We will be able to verify the phone number later from the setting option. So click on the Not Now option. You can read the privacy and terms. Scroll down. Then click the I agree button. Once the Google account is created, you will see a welcome message from the Google account. You can use this Google account as a Gmail account. I'm clicking the Sign Out button to see if the Google account has been successfully completed. Then you have to click on the Gmail address, enter your password and click on the Next button. If you would like to see a tutorial on personal information, privacy and settings for Google accounts, please let us know in the comments. So in this way you can create a new Google account and Gmail address on your laptop or PC. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Please comment, I will try to give correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.